Now, ma'am came.
Ma'am, we can't see the screen name.
Ma'am now came.
Hello.
Ma'am is there in the meeting.
Yeah. Can you?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. You all can see me, hear me, all of you.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you. Good evening, ma'am. We can hear you, ma'am.
We can hear you. Now,
Fine, fine, fine. I'm fine. How are you all? How are you all? I'm fine. How are you all?
I'm fine.
Fine, ma'am. I am also fine. We are fine, ma'am.
Okay.
We have test today.
Yeah, you had test. Listen. One second. I will talk now. I will talk. You will hear. Okay. Just listen. See, you all have test, but at 7:30 today you have. Okay. Today I will take class. Last time we did nouns, right? We revised on nouns and all, no? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Tenses. Okay. So shall we do tenses? Exercises on tenses we'll do today.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll share the screen. And children, listen. No, don't tell out the answers. Everybody.
And your voice is
breaking.
Okay. What?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay. Okay.
Children,
Children, listen.
ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Yeah. 1 second. One minute. Just 1 minute. Just a minute. Okay, you can see the screen? No? Can you see the screen?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, we can't see your.
No, ma'am.
One second. Now can you see the screen?
Now we can see.
Yes, ma'am. Now we can see, ma'am.
Okay.
We can't see the screen, ma'am.
Listen, all of you,
We can see the screen, ma'am.
all of you will mute yourself. All of you will mute yourself. I'll call out the names. Only they will answer because I already taught you tenses, children. I've taught you how to do it. Everybody should get a chance. I should know that each and everybody understood, right? So I will be calling out names and then only those people will answer. No telling out answers. Okay. Nothing. And then will be, I'll give one more exercise where we can, all of us can do it together. Okay. Okay, children.
We should write what you will write.
Yeah, you can write. It's good. Go on copying.
Okay.
I'll call out the names. Only those will this thing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. In case somebody is not there in the class, don't shout and all. It's okay. I'll call out. If the student is there, they'll answer. If they're not there, don't shout and all. It's okay. I'll mark it here. Start copying.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Ma'am.
I'll check that, children. I'll check that.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
I said,
Ma'am, your voice is echoing, ma'am.
Ma'am, even your video is breaking, ma'am.
children.
Yes, ma'am, and your video is also stuck.
Okay, children, there's something wrong in the net or something. That's why I couldn't contact you. So little it became late. So just hold on. You can see the screen, no? Go on writing what is there on the screen. There's something wrong.
The screen is also stuck.
It's
Yes,
not-
ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. We can't see the screen. Ma'am, the screen is stuck and your voice is breaking a lot. Your voice is
Children, can you start writing? Can you start writing? Can you start writing what is on the screen?
Ma'am,
We can't see the screen and we can't hear.
see the screen only, ma'am. We can't see the screen only.
Okay.
Why?
We can't see your screen.
Children, keep quiet. One will talk. Only one. Preeti, tell me what is problem. Oh, nobody should talk. Preeti, tell me what's the problem.
Ma'am, the screen is stuck, ma'am.
It's not stuck, ma. I've kept it there. It's not stuck. I will scroll it down. Don't worry. I will scroll it down. You can see the screen, Preeti. Can you?
Ma'am, we can't.
We can see, ma'am, but it is.
Ma'am, it is only
Ma'am,
on
we
document.
can't see the typing thing.
Excuse me, ma'am. Last class when you were teaching the tenses, I was absent.
Okay, fine. I'll tell you indeed. Now just copy now. I'll give you 5 minutes and I'll explain to you. Okay. Can you?
Okay, ma'am.
See the folder, we can see this PC, ma'am.
Can-
Example, all tenses one is there, ma'am.
Please, children, write down what you see on the screen. Don't talk. I will call out the names and then you can answer. Please start writing the
Ma'am, we
screen.
cannot see the screen what you're typing.
Then something is
Ma'am,
wrong.
your screen is in your folders.
You're not yet open folder, ma'am.
How
We can't see this thing only.
how Preeti can see
First
then?
you opened, ma'am.
Okay. Keep quiet. I'll do it. Keep quiet. Please keep quiet. I'll do it.
Ma'am, you retry.
Just keep quiet, please. I will do it. Don't shout. Now you can see.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Children, please stop talking. All of you will mute yourself. Start writing. Please start writing.
Ma'am, this is first, ma'am.
Start writing what is on the screen, children. Please, you can see what is there. All tenses. Fill in the correct form of verb. Okay, start writing first. It's about tenses only. Last time we did about tenses, no? Past tense, present tense, future tense. All these tenses only is there. We'll have to work on verbs. We'll have to change the verbs. So please write that. I will be calling one by one and I will be asking the answers. Start writing, children. Don't talk, ma, please, because it will be utter confusion. All of you are talking will be confusion. I can't hear anybody. It's a waste of time. That's why. The first one is who dash to? He dash to his sister Maria, who dash usually in England at this time of the year. If you don't know the answer also, just keep quiet. I will tell the answer. That time you can write down. Don't get worried about it. Just go on writing, children.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm a new student, ma'am.
What's your name, huh?
Ma'am, my name is Bhakti. I'm from 6th grade.
Okay, very good. Very good. You were not there for tenses last time?
No, ma'am. This is my first class.
First class, is it? Okay. Children,
Yes.
okay, whoever.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh?
I'm Lohit, ma'am. When you explain these tenses, ma'am?
Last time I explained, last class. Children, listen. If you have not understood or you don't know about tenses, I will tell you in brief. But first write, at least first 10 you all write. I'll explain to you. Go on copying. I'll explain to you. Don't worry. I'll explain once again.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
should you write this?
Where were you, ma? Who is that who is asking me a question and I've told you please start writing? How can you ask me a question? Should we write it? Children, please listen to what's happening in the class, no? Don't come back suddenly and ask me, shall I write it?
Ma'am, should we write the options also?
Yeah, correct. You have to write. Then only you'll know. No, next time when you look at it, you'll know how you got this answer. It's better you write the option.
Ma'am,
Ah,
what is the first chapter name, ma'am?
listen, ma. Here we are doing tenses today. In the last 5 minutes, I will explain all what is the first chapter, second chapter. I'll tell everything. Now your job is
Okay,
to
ma'am.
rest, write what is on the screen. That is your job now. Just do that, ma. Please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what is the answer of the first question?
I told you I will be discussing later. Write the first 10 at least. First 10 you'll answer. Whatever,
Okay,
because this is like, you know, I want to check how much you have understood. Otherwise, I would have filled the answers and given off to you all. I would have filled all the answers and given to you. I want to see how much you all understood. That is the reason I've given this. Then only I can go to the next chapter. No, next to this thing. If you are not understood, I can explain once again. That is the reason I've given.
Ma'am, in the first question you have given right, he write and write.
Yes, ma, you copy what is there. I will tell you the answer. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Yes, tell me. Children, mute your background. Children, please mute your background. Children, mute your background. You all finished first 10?
Ma'am,
Yes,
first, ma'am, should we write the question and the answer or the answer only?
You have to write the question and the options also.
Excuse me, we can see still only 7, ma'am.
I'll take it down, ma. I'll take it down. Don't worry. If you're finished, tell me. I'll take it down.
Ma'am, first time I am in
Please
the answers.
Ma'am, I'm in the fifth question.
Now you can see 9 till 9. You can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do till 9. We'll discuss the answers. Just do till 9 first. Over, children. 9 till 9. You all finished.
No, ma'am.
Right.
No,
right.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Right. Right.
Ma'am.
Yeah, ma.
Am I complete?
Okay. Wait. Just try to fill in the answers if you know. Fill in the answers. Try filling the answers. Those who have finished, try filling the answers. Stop the thing, ma. Background, whoever it is, please mute it. Children, you all finished? Who didn't finish? Raise your hand.
Question up.
Okay, write fast, write fast.
Ma'am, I am in 9th.
Okay, okay. Finish it and answer the. If you know the answers, write the answers.
Ma'am, I am in 8th one.
Yes, ma. Please write the answers also.
Ma'am, I am in 6th one, ma'am.
Write fast, ma. Why you're so late? Write fast.
Ma'am, 9th one finished. Ma'am, even I finished, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, no.
write the
No, ma'am.
answers.
Ma'am,
Okay, write the answers, please.
Ma'am, I finished writing answers also.
Very good. Just hold on then. Just wait.
Ma'am, I finished question, answer, everything, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Just hold on. We'll wait for others, please. Just hold on. Children, you all finished? All of you?
no, ma'am. 8th question.
Okay,
Ma'am, what is after you? 7.
okay. Listen, children.
I can't see.
Okay, listen, children. Listen to me. Whose name I call out, only that person will answer. Nobody will talk. Whoever talks in between, I will not give them a chance. Okay.
Ma'am, I am in 9th one.
Okay.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Children, mute this thing background, please. All of you mute your systems. All of you mute it. All. Please mute your system. Only the person whose name I call will talk. Who is that? Who?
Ma'am, it is a mobile things.
Why can't they mute it? I'm telling, go on muting. Why can't they do it? The only whose name, only that person will talk. No discussions, no doubts, nothing. Everything in the end. Aditya Prakash is there? Aditya Prakash.
Ma'am, just a minute. I'm in 9th question after. Can you ask the answers?
No. Aditya, who's speaking? Aditya? Who is speaking?
Ma'am, Disha.
You do your work, ma. You do your work. I'm just telling, is Aditya there? Okay. Aditya is absent then. Okay. Abhirami is there? Abhirami? Abhiram?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Aditya is there, ma'am.
Why is not answering?
Ma'am, I am there, ma'am.
Aditya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Aditya Gautam.
I've been calling you. Where were you? Okay, children. Aditya, answer the first one.
Ma'am.
Aditya, have you written the answers, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am. First one is he right.
Where is he right? It's not like that. You have to change the verb. Who dash to? Who is he writing to? It will come like that. Have you written the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Tell me then fast. Tell me fast.
Who is writing?
To.
Writing
To.
that to
He is writing to his sister Maria.
to his sister Maria, and
No,
is
no,
the-
no, 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 no. Who is he writing to? He is writing to his sister Maria, who is usually in England at this time of the year. I'll show you the answers later. Though nobody should talk. I'll show you the answers later. Next one. Abhiram is there? Abhiram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the second one?
Marty dashed just when his mother dashed into his room. Marty
Was smoking
Marty was smoking when
just when his mother.
mother came into his room.
Yeah. Third one. Abhishek is there? Abhishek?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the third one.
She dashed an hour ago and dashed back it. She left an hour ago.
Left. She left an hour
She
ago.
left an hour ago and did not came back yet.
Come. Did not come back yet. Okay. Then Aditya is there. One more Aditya. Just Aditya. Plain Aditya. Nothing else. Not Aditya Prakash. It's only Aditya is there. Fast, children. At least answer yes or no. Your name is being called, no?
Ma'am, first you called right. That only I'm sleeping.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, can I tell ma'am?
I said nobody should talk in center. Nobody will talk in center. Next, Amoga. Amoga, are you there? Amoga is not there? Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
What's happening, Ma? Why can't you mute the background? Amoga, read the fourth one. Tell the answer of the fourth one.
Yes, ma'am. I usually drink tea with milk, but I like to have my coffee black.
Okay, mute. Amoga, mute. Amoga, mute. That's all. Okay, fourth one. I usually drink tea. I usually drink tea with milk, but I like to have my coffee black. You can, that is as it is without any change. Okay, then next is Aniket. Fifth one. Aniket is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the fifth one.
When I was in school, I
Dash.
knew a student.
Hmm?
When I was in school, I knew a student who
Did not fail.
who did not fail a test in his whole life.
Yes, correct. Next one, sixth one. Bhakti is there? No, not sixth one. This one. Anjuta. Anjuta is there? Anjuta. Okay. Next, Bhakti is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhakti, read the next one.
Ma'am, Anjuta is there, ma'am.
Anjuta has to wait now. Where was she? She has to wait now. Read the sixth.
Ma'am, I couldn't unmute it fast.
Okay, fine. Bhakti, read Bhakti.
Ma'am, the sixth one, ma'am.
Sixth one.
You can't go into her room. She sleep and you shouldn't wake her.
She slept. S-L-E-P-T. Slept. She slept and you shouldn't wake her. Yes, Anjuta, read the seventh one. Anjuta.
Yes, ma'am. I never felt better in my life. I hope I will stay that way.
It feels that way. Okay,
It
or
feels that.
yeah, stay is there. No, never felt. I sorry. Stay is down. I didn't see that. Okay, fine.
Okay.
I hope it stays. STAYS. It stays that way. Okay. Next, Chitesh. Chitesh is there.
Ma'am,
Please answer the next one.
7th one, no, ma'am.
8th one.
8th.
V dash.
Can I say for 8th one?
Yes, ma. No. Only Chitesh will answer. I told you.
Okay.
Everybody should get a chance. No, only 3-4 people can't keep answering.
Ma'am,
Chitesh.
I didn't get a chance.
I said Chitesh. Where's Chitesh?
Not going.
Chitesh, are you there?
Ma'am?
Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we dashed outside yesterday because it dashed the whole day. We did not go outside yesterday because it
Was
rained the whole day.
rained.
Maybe we will go
Maybe.
tomorrow.
Hmm.
We'll go tomorrow. Okay, 9th one, Chirayu. Chirayu is there? Chirayu is there? 9th one. Okay, Dhriti. Dhriti, 9th one. Dhriti.
My sister go.
No,
Ma'am,
no.
can you hear me?
9th one.
Ma'am, can you
I can hear you. 9th one. 9. Dhriti. Okay. Disha is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Disha, answer the 9th one.
While, ma'am, while the 9th one,
While mom dash in the garden, she dash her back. While mom was working in the garden, she hurt her back. She went to the doctor who told her that she will have to rest for a few days. While mom was working in the garden, she hurt her back. She went to the doctor who told her that she will have to rest for few days. Okay, then next is
Ma'am, I have one doubt. Ma'am, in the 9th one, it could also be who told her that she would have to rest for a few days, right?
why will, when the options are given, you follow the options, no? Why do you have to think of something else? Only options you have to think, ma. Next one is Dishant. Is he there? Dishant is there? Okay. I think 9, only 9 you all copied. No, okay, copy this fast. Next, children, copy this.
Ma'am, can you show me 8th one, ma'am?
What were you doing, ma? So long you take to write. I don't understand only why. Okay, children, copy the next one. Are you all listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you also show the 19th one?
I can't go down, ma. Others are writing on top, right? Isn't it? I can't do that, na. Just hold on 2 seconds and then I'll pull the screen on top. Finished 8th one? Okay.
Ma'am.
I don't know why you have to take so long to write, yeah. I've given lot of time. My God. Okay. From 10th, you have to start writing fast. At least one exercise will finish. 10th, you'll start writing. Hardik, can you answer me like that without this thing copying down? Hardik, are you there? Hardik? Hardik, are you there? Harshit, is Harshit there?
Yes, ma'am.
Harshit, tell the 10th one.
My sister dash hard work for recently. She's got a few tests coming next week.
My sister dash hard, worked hard. It's not the, you don't have to take the word and put it as it is. You need to change the tense there. My sister worked hard for school recently. She got a few tests coming up next week. Okay, fine. Next, Lakshmi Narasimha, answer the next one.
Ma'am, 11th one, ma'am.
Yeah.
The results were better than I expected.
Very good. Yes, correct. Okay. Adarsh is there? Adarsh? Next one you read, ma. 12th one.
Nobody was in the car even though. Ma'am, can I read?
Adarsh.
Run it, ma'am.
I'm only talking to Adarsh. No.
Nobody was in the car even though the engine ran.
The engine ran.
Ran it.
Not ran it. There's no word ran it. Ran. R-A-N, ran. Okay. Next one. 13th one. Mohit. Mohit is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read, Mohit.
Ma'am, can I read, ma'am?
Went into the garden.
I went.
What we're doing.
I went into the garden to see what the boys
We're doing.
were doing. Yeah, correct. Then next is Karthik is there? Karthik, are you there? Read one. Next one you read.
Ma'am, 15th one, no?
No, ma'am.
14th.
14.
All your fingers are brown. You smoke too much.
Yeah, you smoke too much. No D, only as same thing as it is. You smoke too much. Okay. Karunya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read, ma. 15th.
When I saw him last, he dashed married for a long. When I saw him last,
he wasn't. He was not married for so long, or he wasn't also is okay. He wasn't married for so long. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, what is the answer of 14th one, ma'am?
Smoke. S-M-O-K-E. That's all. Smoke. That's all. Same
Ma'am,
thing.
13th one.
Children, can I show you the answer after 2 minutes? I'll show you the answer. You take a screenshot later. Kushwant, next one. Okay, I'll do that. Kushwant, read, ma.
Dash that his brother dash around in Australia. Ma'am, here and travel are separate, no, ma'am?
Yeah, that is both are separate. There's a comma in center. I just heard that his brother traveled.
I heard that his brother traveled around in Australia.
Just heard, not only heard, just heard. See, there's just on the right hand side top. I just heard his brother traveled all around Australia. Okay, Kushal is there? Kushal? Is Kushal there? Okay. Lalit is there? Lohit? Pooja? Pratham?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Ma'am, my name is Pooja, ma'am.
Okay, read Pooja. Next one, read.
Ma'am, which?
You were not there in the class. 17th one. Where were you? Read Pooja. 17th.
Ma'am, I'm new student.
Oh, God, I didn't know that, ma'am. Sorry. Can you do this? Can you do, you know about tenses? Can you do this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I'll teach you tenses. Just hold on. Okay, just copy it. I'll teach you. Next one after Pratham is there. Pratham. Pratham, are you there? Okay. Preetham is there. Preetham.
Yes, ma'am.
Preetham, read the 17th one.
Okay, ma'am. You were sleeping the whole morning. I tried to call you for over an hour.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Next one. Preeti is there. Preeti.
Yes, ma'am.
Read ma. Next one.
Okay, ma'am. After he read the letter, he threw it away. He threw it away.
After he read, R-E-A-D, same spelling. After he read the letter, he threw it away. T-H-R-E-W. Through spelling is T-H-R-E-W. Okay. Mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. Okay. Next is Rochan is there. Rochan. Rochan there.
Yes, ma'am.
Read ma.
Ma'am, which one?
19th.
Yes, ma'am. I dash to this newspaper, dash it anywhere. I did not read to this newspaper. Now I don't know the second one.
Did you see?
Did you see it anywhere?
Okay,
Did you see
fine.
it anywhere?
Okay. Now Sanvi is there. Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next one, ma'am.
Jake dashed my sister for over a year. She dashed some very good results lately. Jake coached my sister for over a year. She has some very good results lately.
Very good. Okay, fine. Now what I'll do is I'll show you the answers. All of y'all, if you can't copy the answer, take the phone and take a screenshot. If you can't copy, I'm telling you, please. If you feel you can't copy, there's no time.
Ma'am, what about the first ones and all?
I'll just see I don't know where it went. Wait, let me just check. Here it is here. Children, see here. Just take a screenshot. No, please. We can do for others. Some more children have to answer. So we can go to the next one. Can you take a screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you will take a screenshot.
Can you show 11th and on of that? Ma'am, after 11th.
1 minute. Let everybody take the screenshot, please. There are 20 children.
Ma'am, everybody taken, ma'am.
Has everyone taken? Has everyone taken?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I taken. Ma'am, you can go still. Yes, ma'am. Now stop. No, ma'am. The 10th one we could not see it properly, ma'am.
Wait. Now, if
Yes,
I
ma'am.
take the 10th one, no, the bottom one will get covered. Okay, take it anyway. We'll see.
Ma'am, we cannot see 20.
That's what I'm saying. If you take the 10th one, now you take.
Ma'am, we cannot see.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's now, ma'am. We got all the screenshots, ma'am.
Okay, very
Thank
good.
you, ma'am.
Okay. Now what we'll do is,
Ma'am, I taken ma'am screenshot.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the fourth one.
What is it? Can you all see the children? Can you see the new screen?
Can you go back?
Children,
I have to
Ma'am,
answer
can you please
17
go
questions.
back? I have a doubt in the fourth one.
1 second. Children, 1 second. Please, 1 second. Hold on. We'll finish up. There are four or five more. We'll ask them questions and then I'll go back. Children, just wait, okay? तरी काय करत नाही तसं बी आम्हाला सोडायचं आहे. बघूया. Okay. Okay. Is Sai Ram Skanda there? Sai Ram Skanda. Sai Ram is there? Skanda. Is Sai Ram there? Okay. Prajwal is there? Sai Prajwal. Sai Prajwal there?
Ma'am, you're frozen.
Huh?
Ma'am, let's explain this.
Ma'am.
Children,
Hello, ma'am. Are you there?
I'm there. I'm there. I'm there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, when are you going to explain this chapter, no, ma'am?
Which chapter, ma? It is just an exercise. I explained everything to you all, no?
Ma'am,
Now-
your voice.
Ma'am, this one are you supposed to write?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah,
We'll be
yeah.
having the test at 7:30, right?
Yes, my yes. Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
It's okay. I'm not talking.
Ma'am, we should write this also.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Please,
Ma'am, we should write this.
please,
Ma'am.
please write what you see on the screen. Please write what you see on the screen.
Ma'am, I did
Okay,
not
ma'am.
complete last slide. I'm in 17th.
Once I'll show you once again. I've taken a screenshot. No, I told you to take screenshot. No, it's the same thing. With the answers, you have question also in that. Okay, Sai Prajwal is there? Sai Prajwal. Sai Prajwal. Can you read the first? Can you tell me the answer of the first one?
What dash of your new boyfriend?
What is the answer?
What you think of your new boyfriend?
What do you think? What do you think of your new boyfriend? Do you? Okay. Shreyas is there? Shreyas? Shreyas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, shouldn't it come like what do you think about your boyfriend?
No, about is not required. Next one.
Can I read, ma'am?
I said, are you Shreyas? Are you Shreyas? Are you Shreyas?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you didn't give chance to me, ma'am.
I'm calling out everyone's name. Just wait. Shreyas, read.
Okay, ma'am. She dashed anything about his past yet. She never heard anything about his past yet.
Okay, good. Third, next one. Spurti. Spurti, read. Spurti, read.
We met them at the restaurant
Last week. Okay, next one.
last week.
Okay, good. Next, Sujit. Sujit, read the next one. Fast, there's no time. Sujit. Swarali. Swarali is there? Swarali. Swarali, are you there? Tarish is there? Tarish is there? Tarish. Yatin.
I have read the.
Sujit is there and he was reading.
I have read the contents of the contract. Contents of the contract tomorrow. I will read. Sorry, I'm sorry. I will read the contents of the contract tomorrow. I will read.
Ma'am, I did not understand the third one.
We
Ma'am,
met.
should we write this also?
Yeah, just write till 5. There is no time. It was just for testing. If you don't write also, it's okay. Only the first one was important. Just to test everybody knows or not, I took it. Okay, children, it's time up. I think I have to take the next class now. See you all then. Bye.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the previous slide. Fourth
Ma'am,
one.
thank you, ma'am.
Children,
Bye, ma'am.
children, keep it. Next week I'll tell the class. It's time. It's time up. It's time.
Ma'am, thank you for teaching this class, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.